Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Former. Can you hear me?
Huh? Which one be sell sign?
Which one is better? I don't mind.
Drag the price, say the price no reach like that. Hey, make I even call am sef. They call on me. Oh, daddy. Sir? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Give me photo of the person now.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, Former. Can you hear me?
Huh?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I want the set eye. The set eye product washing machine now. Give me the washing machine now.
Huh? Which one be sell sign?
Which one is better? I don't mind. I want it now. Give me my washing machine.
Me, I don't know the one where you dey talk. I don't get am. Na high sense I get.
Hey, listen.
Daddy, is that sense?
Hey, you don't want. Give me the washing machine. Hey, listen to me. You want me? Give it to my son.
Huh?
Look at that later.
They not.
What is it?
Don't say my sense.
I've given it to him
Yeah.
now. Na high sense dey. High sense LG medium.
Give it to my son now. Hey, which one do you have? Which one do you have?
Huh?
Which one do you have?
High sense.
Daddy, the one I told you about. The high sense. The high sense, sir. Sir?
It's not human. It's answers. How much is it?
Fund.
How much is it?
430.
Huh? It's
Four-
like 430. No. I want that. Listen. Okay? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I'll pay for the answers. I'll pay 400,000. Give it to my son now.
No, that one is 430 now.
Give it to my son. Look.
Daddy, that's the amount, sir. Daddy, that's the amount.
Keep it.
Let me buy.
Sit down, man. What do you mean what to buy?
Sir? Sir?
Okay?
Sir?
Chevy said it's 430.
Yes.
Pay for it and bring it to me.
Alright, sir.
Alright.
Okay, sir.
I'm waiting for you.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
You your papa, eh?
Now, also, Joe. Oh, yeah, now. Come bring her out. So, we'll buy that one. Carry this small one free. Or this your sales game, I can't go ask. What's up?
How are you?
What's up? How you doing? So I came to buy washing machine. So your boss said after buying the washing machine, you follow me home.
Me?
Yes, now. Which one is to fear aqua? Wait, which one is to fear aqua? Since you no one give me this small one for free, so now you go now you go follow me go out like that.
You don't pay.
I go pay now. I want run. Which body will we spy?